What's up, guys? So in this video, I'm gonna tell you exactly what supplements you should be taking if you work out. But remember, these are supplements. This should be the icing on the cake. Most of your results are gonna be coming from the gym. I'm gonna make it real simple for you and give you my top 5 supplements that you should be taking. So it's Sunday, it's a beautiful day out. I'm gonna hop on my bike. I'm gonna go to my boys' supplement shop. Come take a ride with me and let's get those supplements. Man, so I don't get a chance to ride outside a lot. The weekends are the only chance I get to ride. All right, so come take a ride with me. I got a seat for you right here. So I'm here at the vitamin shop, my boys' supplement shop. It's called Max Nutrition. This is where I get a lot of my subs, but I'm gonna show you your way around the supplement store so you don't get confused, you know? I know a lot of you guys, you walk in the supplement shop and you're like, oh man, what should I get? You know, you're just so confused. So I'm gonna help you out. I'm gonna show you my 5 top supplements if you work out that you should take. So come follow me, let's get it. All right, here we are, we're at Max Nutrition. That's the owner, Bryson. What's up?
What's going on?
Yeah. So I'm gonna take you through, but hold up. Look at all these snacks. Like, dude, if you're cutting, like, you can still eat good. Like I always say, like, what diet? There's so many things. If you struggle with food, you ain't trying. You know what I'm saying? So like, there's like gummy bears, there's like protein cookies, there's peanut butter. Right? Like, there's so many good options. They got protein brownies. I eat these all the time, they're good. But I'm getting off topic. Like, literally, I just want to show you guys the top 5 supplements that you should get. The first one, you want to get a pre-workout. In my opinion, like, a lot of people lack motivation and they struggle to get that motivation. So you need a little bit of energy, and just take your pre-workout, get one from the store, go to your local shop, and you want to take your pre-workout 20 to 30 minutes before you hit the gym. Have your pre-workout meal plus your pre-workout supplement, and that's just gonna get your body temperature is gonna raise, your energy, you're gonna be focused, you're gonna be ready to smash some weights. The only supplement that I wouldn't take is C4. That shit's whack. Like, just go ahead and throw that shit away in the garbage. All the other brands are pretty good, to be honest. But if you, there's just 2 different things that I would point out. There's stimulants and then there's non-stimulants. So if you do well with like caffeine and stimulants, then take a stim. Or if you don't, you could do the stim-free route. You could do it that way. But all the pre-workouts nowadays, all of them, most of them, they're gonna have the pump products, meaning they have the vasodilators, so you're gonna get that good pump. They have the focus for the mindset. Then they have the caffeine for the energy. So they literally covered all the bases. They have everything in there. So yeah, the other supplement that I would get is an intro workout. So everybody thinks that you're building muscle in the gym. You ain't building muscle in the gym. You're actually getting worse in the gym. You're breaking down muscle. So literally, to cut your recovery time in half, I would take a intro workout that's gonna have your essential amino acids. It's stuff that your body, that you're not getting from food. So you're getting essential amino acids from a supplement. That's why they're called supplements, you know? I sounded real Mexican there, that was crazy. No, but then you also get electrolytes, because as you work out, as you sweat, you're depleting yourself of vitamin, minerals, electrolytes. You're gonna have your shaker bottle, and you're gonna have like 16 ounces of your intra workout, and you're gonna be sipping that in between sets, and that's gonna start the recovery process. Because like I said, if you're trying to build muscle, cut fat, like, you want to start that recovery process as soon as possible, and then get good rest. That's where you're gonna actually repair and grow. So those 2. So after the workout, what do you do after the workout? So there's all these proteins out there. So there's weight gainers, there's whey isolate, there's casein protein, there's vegan protein. I'm gonna just give you one. I like whey protein isolate, and that basically just has all protein, no carbs, no fat. And the reason why I like all protein is because after your workout, you just want proteins and carbs. That's it. You want the protein, which is the whey isolate, and then a fast digested carb. So 2 bonus supplements. All right, so you got your pre-workout, you got your intra workout, you got your post-workout. Those are essential, to be honest with you. Those are essential. 2 ones that I would say for you, if you're looking to like take it to the next level, is get yourself a testosterone booster. Don't be afraid, it's not testosterone, it's a testosterone booster. So it's just basically gonna help you burn that stubborn body fat around that midsection, the inner thighs, and get you to build more muscle. And also it's gonna increase your libido. So your sex drive is gonna go up. So it probably has that horny goat weed in there and all these other crazy shit. Test booster is good for male and females. All my clients, they take a test booster. And that's basically just gonna raise your testosterone, your hormone levels to a natural state. You're not boosting, you're not gonna grow facial hair, you're not gonna grow like crazy muscles or anything like that. The other supplement that I would take is a fat burner. And this isn't like back in the day with like hydroxycut where you're like, it just does crazy shit to you. This is just all natural, and it has all the like red peppers and like plant extracts and stuff that promote. It's a thermogenic supplement, so it's going to help you burn that fat, like I said, like around the stomach area, the stubborn areas that you can't get to, because it's hard to spot reduce. So you just need, this is a good supplement that I would take. All right, so let's recap. All right, so we're going to make this super easy. So you got your pre-workout right here. This is before your workout. You're going to take that. Got your intro workout. Intro, that's for recovery. So this is for energy, motivation. This is for recovery. This is for post-workout recovery. Tastes good. And this is for building muscle, sex drive. And then this is your fat burner for just stubborn areas. It's gonna raise your body's core temperature too. So you're gonna feel that body heat and you're gonna start sweating. So man, this is like basic stack right here for a person who works out. This is like somebody who's actually trying to build muscle, cut body fat, all that type of stuff. This is what I would go to. Pre, intra, post, test, fat burner. Dude, can't go wrong with that. All right, so if you guys go to a supplement shop, the reason why I did this video is because usually Joe Schmo, who's at the front desk, fat, overweight, doesn't know what he's talking about. And I just want to save you guys some time and just watch this video and go pick up the supplements that I just told you. So make sure you like the video, make sure you subscribe, and stay tuned for more good stuff. That's what it's about.